Good morning once again to everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Children, as you all know that in this chapter also, jugs and mugs related with capacity, we have done addition, we have done conversion, we have done subtraction. So addition and subtraction, after addition and subtraction, so what are you expecting? Which operation we will learn next?
Multiplication.
Very good. Multiplication.
Multiplication.
Take out your notebooks, write the name of the chapter, chapter 7, jugs and mugs. I'm not writing the chapter name and number because if I will write, it will take my much space. So just I'm writing the topic, multiplication of capacity. Multiplication of capacities. Write the first sum. I have one water bottle. The capacity of that water bottle is 25 liter, 100 milliliter. So how much is the water in 5 bottles? One bottle capacity is this. How much is the capacity of 5 bottles? So we multiply because we need to find the capacity of 5 bottles. 5 zeros are Dej Kumar. Any number multiplied by 0 will be 0.
Zero.
So 5 zeros is 0. Nishwa. Any number multiplied by 1 will be 5 ones are
Ma'am, we have to
the
write
number itself.
five.
Yes. Then Grant. 5 5s are.
Ma'am, we have to write this.
Let me explain first, then you
25.
write. 25. 5 2s are.
10.
10.
Ma'am, you are
Viva,
stuck.
yes, now it's, am I audible? Yeah. 5 2s are Viva.
10.
10 plus 2 is 12.
12.
So the capacity of 5 water bottles, one water bottle capacity is 25 liters, 100 milliliters. So the capacity of 5 bottles is 125 liters, 500 milliliters.
Now we have to write.
Yes, please start writing in your notebooks. Kevian and Jigar Singh, turn on your camera and sit in the class. Dhyan Patel, turn on your camera, please. Turn on your camera whose camera is off. And you children know whose camera is off. So please turn on your camera. No need to remind and call your name again and again.
Hello, ma'am. My camera.
I'm not calling Moksha's name. Jigar Singh, turn on your camera. And Divit, come at your place.
Ma'am, I'm confused into liter. Ma'am, can you explain the sum again?
The capacity of one water bottle is 25 liter, 100 milliliter. How much is the capacity of 5 bottles? So one is given and you need to find for many, you always multiply. 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 12. Clear, Vedant?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, by the time everyone will write is right, they are writing. You raise your hand if you give me one example based on multiplication. Yes, Tej Kumar. Raise your virtual hand, please, students. Tej
Ma'am,
Kumar.
140 liter and 110 milliliter.
Is the
So,
capacity of one thing, and you need to find for how many?
so we will multiply by 6.
Okay, you need to find the capacity of 6 things. Can you frame it in the form of a word problem so it will be easy to explain and understand? Rajiv Lahoti, 4 minutes late in my class.
Sorry, ma'am.
So, not sorry is not the answer, बच्चा. मुझे कोई problem नहीं है. आप late आओ, 10 minutes late आओ. I don't have any issue. Loss is yours, not mine. Understood? Whether
Okay,
you
ma'am.
come, you sit in the class silently, don't come, or you come late,
Ma'am,
everything, the loss is yours.
ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, can I give us some?
No, when I'm already asking, Tej Kumar is already explaining. Yes, Tej Kumar.
105 liter and 110 milliliter. So I have to find one one 105 liter. So multiply by 6. So I want to find.
So find what is the answer.
Okay, ma'am. I am calculating.
Next child. Raise your virtual hand. Yes, Vedant.
Ma'am, ma'am, a water bottle has is a
Go to juice bottle, go to petrol, go to in a car when we fill 1 liter and how much we will fill for the 5 cars. This way you make your own story problem, students.
cold
Yes.
drink bottle has 15 liter and 100 ml.
Yes.
What will be the capacity of four cold drink liters?
Yes.
We will first do 4 by 0 0, 4 by 0 into 0 0,
Hmm.
into 1 will be 4, and 4 into 5 will be 20,
Hmm.
and 4 into 1 will be 4 into 1 will be 4 into 1 will be 4, and 4 plus 2 is 60.
So what is the capacity of 4 cold drink bottles?
6 liter and 400
60 liter.
60, yeah. Yes, 60
And-
liters and 400 ml.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Next child, Nishwa.
ma'am, my answer is 600 liter and 660 milliliter.
Wait a minute. 6 zeros are 0, 6 ones are 6, 6 ones are 6, 6 fives are 30. 6 zeros are 0, 3, 6 ones are 6. 630 liter, 660 milliliter.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Nishwa. Please frame your question.
I am going on the park and I bring 66 liter tea and I bring 100 millimeters juice and 3
Millimeters, nahi, milliliters.
milliliters and I bring 3 millimeters of one coffee. We multiply
No,
3
no,
millimeters.
no. You are wrong. You are saying about the coffee also. You are saying about the tea also. आपको कॉफी टी कोल्ड ड्रिंक का देन अलग अलग निकालना है बच्चा. Right now, if you say that I brought a 60 liter and 100 milliliter tea for one person, how much I will bring for another person, for 2 persons, for 3 persons? It should be like this. If you cannot say that 60 milliliters was the tea and 20 milliliters was the coffee and 3 liters was the juice, this way you will add the capacity of all the 3 different commodities. Got it? तो वो एडिशन हो जाएगा. Yes, Manya.
Yes, ma'am. Raj has one bottle of diesel. It can hold 35 liter, 200 milliliters.
Yes.
So, such 8 bottles can hold. How many such 8 bottles can hold?
Yeah.
So, we will do multiplication.
How many 8 such bottles can hold the petrol or the diesel? So multiplication, you guys, because you need to find for the 8 bottles.
When we multiply 35 liter,
No,
200
start with the 8 multiply by 0 first. Always start from the back. You cannot directly multiply the 35 here.
No, ma'am. Means I was telling the 2 digits.
Okay.
So 8 multiplied by 0 is 0. 8 multiplied by 0 is 0. 8 twos are 16. So we will carry over 1
Hmm.
and 6 will be down. and 8 5s are 40 plus
Yes.
1 41. 8 3s are 24 plus 4 28. So 281 liter and 600 milliliter, 8 bottles of diesel can hold.
Yes. Very good. So I am going to erase this, give you more practice sums.
Ma'am, can I say some?
I will come. I will come on you also. Let me give you.
And can
Give
I
me
tell
this.
the story problem?
I will come and give you a chance, bacha. Let me give the students to practice and one more sum. Suppose I took a juice. One container is having 7 liter, 390 milliliter of juice. So, how many 5 such bottles will contain a juice? Multiplied by 5 and tell me what will be the answers. Solve this in your notebooks, everyone. Liter and milliliter column. And my board is clearly visible till the last.
Yes, ma'am. But hello, ma'am. I forget to write 7 liter and 390 milliliter. I have means write the column method. Means column only. I have.
What column? I don't understand.
Means I have
Means
means.
you have written directly.
Yes, ma'am.
No problem, no issue. So 7 liter, 390 milliliter, and multiply it with the 5. Find the answer and tell me. Meantime, yes, Vishnu, tell your story.
And the answer is 36 liter 950 milliliter.
Very good, so quick. Very good, Vishnu. Vishnu, you were telling me your story problem. Please tell me.
Yes, ma'am. My story problem is my one bottle of cold drink contain 25 liter and 500 milliliter. I have to separate. I have to separate this in 5 other bottles.
If you separate, wait. If you separate this in the 5 other bottles, you will divide that how much each bottle will contain. वो division हो जाएगा बच्चा.
I have to now. I have to get. Now I have to put in 5 other bottles. So I will multiply.
No. If you put this in the 5 bottles, same quantity, अगर इसी को ही आप 5 bottles में put करेंगे तो ये divide हो जाएगा बच्चा. You say that one capacity of one bottle is this. How much is the capacity of 5 bottles? And how much 5 such bottles contain? The way Manya told.
Yes. And it took
सेम कैपेसिटी की 5 चाहिए आपको और बॉटल. So total find out करनी है हमें कैपेसिटी ऑफ 5 bottles.
and the answer is 127 liter 500 milliliter.
Yes, 127 5 milliliter. Right. Next is no. Tej Kumar, you got, Manya got, Vedant got, Vishrut got. Now I will give chance to other students.
Next, me, ma'am.
Yes,
I got the answer.
for this one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What? Wait.
Can I say this answer?
The answer is 36 liter
Hmm.
and
And
950 milliliters.
very good. Yes. Now, Moksh, give me your story problem.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Rohit has 6.
Just a minute. I'm sorry to interrupt you in between. Children, please write these questions which I'm writing on the board. Write it in your notebook, everyone. Yes, please continue.
Ma'am, Rohit has 6 tanks. Means Rohit has a tank of 350 liter and 500 milliliter. And he has this much tanks, means 6.
He has 6 tanks. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. So we will multiply it 350 liter and 500 milliliter.
Here, what are you finding?
Ma'am,
Last line should be, what are you finding?
we are finding that how much these all means tanks can contain together.
Yeah. So by There is one more method of finding the how much total of all the containers. Can you all tell me? One is having 350 liter, 500 milliliter one tank. So for finding the 6, there is one more method. Instead of doing multiplication, what else I can do?
Ma'am, plus.
Yes. Why? Because addition is a
Because addition and the multiplication is just like brothers.
yeah, because multiplication is a repeated addition. Either you can do the addition 6 times or you multiply it with the 6, your answer will be same.
Ma'am, may I
So,
tell one simple problem?
Dania, let Moksh complete the answer.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, the total means all the 6 tanks can contain 2,103 liters and means only 2,000.
Nothing is in the milliliter, so we can say only liters. 2,103 liters. Yes, Dania.
Yes, ma'am. My father pours 250 liter in each liter water in each of tank. How much water did he pour in four tanks?
First, you told how many liters
250 liter water.
and how many milliliters?
Milliliters. Ma'am, I will tell in 1 second.
Any other child is ready meantime to explain? Yes or no? Any other child want to explain story problem?
Ma'am, I.
Okay, Vedant.
Okay, ma'am. So, a diesel container, one diesel container has 15 liter and 250 ml of diesel.
Hmm.
So how much will 14 containers will carry?
Hmm. Yes.
So, 4 zeros are 0,
Hmm.
4 zeros are 0, 4 5s are 20. So, so the 2 will be
Carry over.
both will be carry over to 2. So
4 2s are 8, 9, 10.
is 8. 8 plus 2 will be 10. So again 0 and 1 will be carry over to 5.
Yes.
So 4 5s is 4 5s
Wait a minute. Sorry to interrupt. This is very good sum because it's a 2-digit multiplication. So better I will write here on the board so everyone can complete this and write this. See, as Vedant told, this is the third sum. Please write down in your notebooks. Vedant is telling there is 15 liter is the capacity and 250 milliliter. So what is the capacity of total 14 containers? So he said 4 zeros are 0, 4 5s are 20, 4 2s are 8, 9, 10. One will be carried forward till here he told. Now continue please Vedant.
Okay, ma'am. So 4 5s will be 4 5s will be 25.
4 5s are 25.
No. 20. So 20 plus
Plus 1.
21. So we will give 2 to the 1.
Hmm.
4 ones are 4 plus 2 will be 6. Then after that on the second line we will put a cross.
Yes, because still we need to multiply with the 1 now.
We
1
will
zeros are
0 and 5 ones are is 5. 2 ones are is 2. 5 ones are is 5 and 1 ones are is 1.
so I will solve it in this way only. 5 ones is 5.
5 is 5 and 5 and 1 ones are is 1.
Yes. Just a minute.
Hello, ma'am. Why there is no 0 at the back of 50?
Where?
But in the last means you
Yeah.
have to cross it.
You can put a 0 also. Both the ways are correct. Now you said 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 1 twos are 2, 1 fives are 5, 1 ones are 1. Add them and find the answer.
0 will be 0, 0, 0, and 5
Yes.
after that, and then 2. Then 6, 6, and then 6 ones are 7. So the answer will be 76 liters and 250 ml.
I no, just check. Check.
Ma'am, it's the right
15
answer.
multiply by 250 multiply by 14. Your answer will be this, Acha. Am I clearly visible to you? 213 liters, 500 milliliters.
Ma'am, because he
Two
has
digit.
put, ma'am, because he
Yes.
has
What
put
is it?
15 ml column.
No, you only have to put the 3 digits in the ML column, then you move forward. Got it, Vedant?
Answer was wrong.
Your answer was wrong. This is the correct answer.
Ma'am, 2 minutes.
Ma'am, we can't see the answer.
Let me
Down.
show you.
Thank
Now
you, ma'am.
check.
Ma'am, I am ready with my story problem.
Just a minute. Let everyone complete this. Then I will ask. See, children, please look here, everyone. 1 zeros are 0, 1 fives are 5, 1 twos are 2 will go in this column because we only need the 3 digits in the milliliters. Then, when we are multiplying the next number, if it is going further, please move towards the liter column. Got it, everyone? Yes, Danya. Please speak.
Yes, ma'am. My father pours 250 liter and 100 milliliter water in each of tank.
Hmm.
How much water did he pour in 4 tanks?
Okay.
So 4 multiplied by 0 is 0.
Hmm.
Then again 4 multiplied by 0 is 0.
Hmm.
4 multiplied by 1 is 4.
Yes.
Then again 4 multiplied by 0 is 0.
Yes.
5 multiplied by 4 is 20. So we will put 0 and 2 carry over.
Yes.
4 multiplied by 2, 8. And
Yes.
2 carry over, it is 10. So answer is 1000 liter and 400 milliliter.
Correct. Everyone copied this also?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I erase?
Ma'am, answer is 113 liter and
213 liter. 213 liter, bacha. 6 plus 1 is 11. 1 will go here. So it will be 213 liters. 500 milliliters. Rajvi Nikhare,
Ma'am, wait a
please.
minute, I'm writing.
Sit at your place and write. Granth, Rajveer, Anay, turn on your camera and sit.
Ma'am, my camera is on only.
Let me pin. Okay. Okay, can I erase this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
One more sum I'm giving you to practice and then I will move to the textbook exercises. Today I'm not going to send any worksheet from my side. You have to frame 5-word problem based on multiplication and send it to me. Got it, everyone? I am not going to send you a worksheet today. Today is your home task to frame 5 story problems on multiplication and solve it with the statement and send it to me. Got it, everyone?
To send you,
Yes?
where we have to send
I will put in the assignment. Then there you have to send. This is the fourth sum now. 231 liter, 412 milliliter, multiply by means multiplication only, by 15. Multiply it and solve. Dhyan Patel, Suchi, everyone. I am expecting that everyone is writing.
Yes, ma'am.
Please solve this. 231 liter, 412 milliliter by 15. Same way the Vedant has given us the sum. No, this is also the 2-digit multiplication you are doing. And tell me what is the answer. Who will give me the answer?
Ma'am, I can give.
Yes, Tej Kumar.
Ma'am, 3,471 liter and 180 milliliter.
Excellent, Tej Kumar. Excellent. Very good. So I will erase the board and I will write it in the column wise because I don't have a space. Liter and milliliter. I am writing here 231 liter, 412 milliliter multiplied with the 15 liter because you need to find for the 15 containers. 5 2s are 10, 0. 5 and the 5 plus
Excuse
1,
me, ma'am.
6. Yes, Manya?
Can I do the sum?
Yes, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, the
I have
answer.
done it here. You can carry it forward. It.
The
5
answer.
4s are 20.
Vedanti will check the answer. She is solving. 5 2s, 5 4s are 20. So
20,
what will come here?
0,
What
and 2
will be?
will be carry over.
Then,
5 1s are 5 plus 2, 7.
then,
5 3s are 15. 5 will be
then,
down and 1 will be carry over.
then.
5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11.
What we will put here? What
1
will we
2s
put here,
are,
Manya?
ma'am, cross or 1.
Ma'am, we can
Cross or 0.
Son.
Yeah. Cross or 0.
Then
Yeah. 1
5
2s
2s
are.
are 10.
Now I
Sorry, 1 2s are 2. 1 1s are 1. 1 1s are again 1.
No, 1 4s are.
Yes, 1 4s are 4. 1 1s are 1. 1 3s are 3. And 1 2s are 2. So we will add these. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 2 is 8. 0 plus 1 is 1. 7 plus 4 is 11. 1 will be carry over.
Yes.
5 plus 2, 7.
And you are
Plus
stuck.
1, 4.
Am I stuck,
And 2.
students?
Ma'am.
No, ma'am.
My dear, I'm solving here. Yes.
3 plus 1, 4. And 2 plus 1, 3.
So the answer is 3,471 liter 180 milliliter. Got it? Okay, now open your textbook, students.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
If you have completed till here. Open your textbook, page number 75. We have already done. Go to the page number 76. I'm going to present my screen. My little bottle. Have you seen a 1 liter water bottle? Children, yes or no? This is your practical question which I am asking from you. You need to respond me. You have seen a 1 liter
Yes,
water
ma'am.
bottle?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
so you
ma'am.
can write yes. I have seen water bottle of 1 liter. Now the answer is just a minute. This we have already done, right? And I told you to take the bottles and see the containers. Now we go on the page number my measuring bottle. So multiplication also we have covered.
Ma'am, answer will be 500.
Guess and check. Find your own way to make a bottle which can measure 200 ml, 400 ml, 600 ml, 800 ml, and a liter. Discuss with your friends. I told you to make a bottle. Take 200 ml bottle and keep on marking. Is any child who has made the measuring bottle? किसी ने बनाई है? Try this activity at home. Take a 1 liter bottle, empty bottle. Take another bottle of any size, whether 100 ml, 200 ml, or 300 ml. Put the one, fill that small bottle and pour it in that big 1 liter bottle. And wherever this, suppose the bottle, अपने बड़ी bottle ली. I told you and explained you in my last class also, if you have remembered. This is the big bottle, right? 1 liter bottle. And this is a 200 ml bottle. Yes. And this is the 200. David, please mute your mic. Talk to me after my explanation. This is a 200 milliliter water. And with this 200 milliliter, you are going to fill this 1 liter. राइट अगर आपने ये 200 मिलीलीटर का वाटर इसके अंदर डाला सपोज इट इज स्टिल कमिंग हियर सो यू मार्क इट एंड राइट 200 ml ओके
200 or 250.
200 बॉटल लिए तो 200 ही मार्क करूंगी ना इफ आई विल टेक अ 250 ml बॉटल सो आई विल मार्क 250
So, ma'am, we can take a sticky note and apply over there.
yes
and
yes
write it
it's
over
your
200
creativity
milliliter.
yes it's your creativity either with a marker
So, we
either
have
with a
to
sticky
use
note.
how many bottles? Any.
one liter bottle and one another measuring bottle with which you are filling so 2 bottles है ना so now if it is coming here so you mark 200 again you put a bottle this filled bottle of water in this so now if the level is increasing by this much so how much it will be now
400 milliliter.
400 milliliter because 200 is still here 200 is this here plus 4 it will be 400 then again if you put 200 milliliter water in this the water level increase to 600 milliliter why because again you are adding the 200 milliliter in it till it will go to 1 liter keep on filling that and keep on marking that got it then
Yeah.
it will become your 1 liter measuring bottle
So, ma'am, we
Fir-
only have to use 200 bottles.
it's up to your choice if you are taking 300 then your first step will be 300 so क्योंकि आप 300 से fill नहीं कर पाओगे properly right if you take a 300 then it will be 600 then it will be 900 so फिर 100 fill करने के लिए आपको problem होगी Either take 250, either take 100, either take
Ma'am,
200.
we can take 400, 400 and 200.
Yes. तो 200 की फिर 400 वाली जो ml है वो आधी लेनी पड़ेगी, half, for filling the 200. Got it? Yes. Sorry. So small bucket, suppose we are guessing the capacity is, yes, I know. Suppose the capacity of the jug is this, bucket is this, you need to write the different container names, you need to write the capacity of them, and my guess, check if your guess is right by using your measuring bottle. Now आपने वो measuring bottle बना ली, पहले आप गैस करेंगे, एक बकेट लेंगे, गैस करेंगे कि इसकी कैपेसिटी कितनी है. So you write, suppose मैंने गैस की, my bucket capacity is 5 liter, so I have written 5 liter. अगर उसको मैं measuring bottle से compare कर रही हूँ, so sometime it can be 5 liter, sometime it can be more than 5 liter, क्योंकि पहले आप गैस कर रहे हैं, right? First you are guess. Tomorrow or maybe in the next class I'll show you practically, then I think you will better understand the
Ma'am,
concept.
I have a doubt.
Yes, Vihan.
I don't know, but it's a Friday. Means it's a Friday and Saturday. You are gonna take any CTS or?
I will inform you when I take the CT. I will inform you when I will take the CT.